In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer project ownership to someone else in Lovable AI. By the end, you'll know the exact path to kick off a clean ownership handoff and set the right person up with access. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with the account that currently owns the project or has the required admin permissions, since ownership changes are restricted to higher level roles. Start on your Lovable dashboard. This is the home view where you can quickly access anything you're working on. If you just signed in, you'll land here automatically. If not, navigate back to home from the top or side navigation so you're working from a clean starting point. From the dashboard, open all projects. This displays your complete list rather than just recent items. If you manage a lot of work, this is the best place to find the exact project you intend to transfer. You can scan the list, use search, or sort by recent activity to locate it faster. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct project name so you don't move access to the wrong one. Next, click into the project you want to transfer. Inside the project workspace, you'll see all the details, collaborators, and settings related to that project. This is where you'll manage who has access. It's important to be in the right place because ownership can only be moved to someone who's part of the project. That means the first step toward a transfer is adding the intended new owner as a collaborator. Select Add People. This opens the sharing and access panel. Here you can bring the new person into the project so they can be assigned a higher level of control later. If you don't see the option, you may not have the rights to modify sharing. In that case, you'll need to work with an existing owner or workspace admin. Invite by email. Enter the email address the recipient uses for their Lovable account. Double-check spelling to avoid sending an invitation to the wrong person, and consider letting them know to watch for the invite so it doesn't get missed in spam. Inviting them ensures they appear in the project's member list, which is a necessary prerequisite for finalizing an ownership handoff according to your workspace's policies. Once the invite is sent and accepted, you'll be set up to complete the transfer through your organization's established process. That's it for initiating an ownership change in Lovable. Go to your dashboard, open all projects, enter the correct project, add the person, and invite by email. Follow these steps to keep your project secure and your handoff smooth.